Hi, I'm Matthew Courtney. Welcome to Spreadsheet Fundamentals. In this video, I will be showing you how to use variations of the min and max functions. Before you look at a spreadsheet, let's take a moment to consider the syntax. The min and max functions are pretty simple. To find the lowest number in a set of scores, type =min and place the range in parentheses. To find the highest number in a set of scores, type =max and place the range in parentheses. You can also use the min-ifs and max-ifs functions to find the lowest or highest score within a subset of your overall scores. These functions work by typing min-ifs or max-ifs, followed by your range of scores, the column that houses your desired criteria, and the criteria itself. You can repeat this process multiple times if you want to apply multiple filtering criteria. Let's take a look at how these functions work in a spreadsheet. Column A lists the course section for each student. Column B lists the gender identity of each student, and column C lists a series of test scores. To find the lowest test score, I will click in cell F2 and type $min, open parentheses, select column C, close parentheses, enter. The minimum score is 51. If I want to know the minimum score for only students in first period, I can use the min-ifs function. In cell F3, I will type min-ifs, open parentheses. Select column C, comma, select column A, comma, type first period in quotes, close parentheses, enter. The minimum score in first period was 51. To find the maximum score in the distribution, I will type $max, open parentheses, select column C, close parentheses, enter. The maximum score is 98. If I want to know the maximum score of female students in first period, I can do so using the max-ifs function. I will type $max-ifs, open parentheses, select column C, comma, select column A, comma, type first period in quotations, comma, select column B, comma, type female in quotations, close parentheses, enter. The maximum score for first period female students is 95. In this video, I have shown you how to use variations of the min and max functions. For more information about how to use spreadsheet functions to interpret student data, please visit www.matthewbcourtney.com/repository.